Struggling to find qualified tenants for your rental property? You're not alone. Many property owners grapple with this challenge, but here's the good news: you don't have to. Imagine a scenario where an esteemed property management company, Three Pentacles PLLC, steps in to help. Based in the heart of Chicago, they are renowned for their ability to find qualified tenants swiftly and for a value that exceeds the property owner's initial expectations. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Three Pentacles PLLC utilizes a syndicated property marketing process that is unparalleled. Your rental property is displayed across many websites and platforms. This strategic move places your property in front of a colossal number of potential tenants. In fact, the advertising can reach over 30 million visitors each month. Now let's talk about a case study that demonstrates the effectiveness of this marketing strategy. Consider Mr. Irumbo, a property owner who has been struggling to find a tenant for his property in Lakeview. After employing the services of Three Pentacles PLLC, he was able to secure a tenant within 14 days, and for a rental price higher than he had initially listed. This is the magic of a well-executed marketing strategy. But it's not just about finding tenants, it's about finding the right tenants. With years of local experience and comprehensive market knowledge, Three Pentacles PLLC identifies the target market that is perfect for your property. They then develop and execute a customized advertising strategy to entice and secure these potential tenants. The process doesn't stop there. Showings are personally conducted by licensed associates who ensure proper communication with applicants. The secret to their success is a balanced approach between finding qualified tenants and qualifying applicants. To ensure they only find the best, they even utilize a private detective agency. Finding qualified tenants for your rental property doesn't have to be a struggle. Not when you have the right marketing strategies and the right team on your side. So why wait? If you're a property owner who's tired of the endless search for qualified tenants, it's time to turn the tables, it's time to make the call. It's time to hire Three Pentacles PLLC. Reach out to Three Pentacles PLLC today and let them do what they do best. Find you the perfect tenant, fast and for more money than you thought possible.